Yo, 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 it's me again, Kachao. So, recently, some players asked me on what to do or what path should they take on their tech. So, first, I'll show you my tech. So, this is my tech. And for this video, let's start with Hero Tech. So, for Hero Tech, it's pretty basic. So, I'm at 88%. So, first, it will depend on what squad you are running at. So I'm running a tank main, then my second is aircraft, then my third is missile. So my missiles is not yet fully invested. So since I'm tank main, so this is the path. First you need to max this 4 up to the second and up to the third, the first set of each class. Okay, so it's nothing too much actually. It's workable actually. So it's not that expensive. So most of you probably got all of this at max. And then the second set of tank, since I'm running tank, and then the second set of aircraft, I skipped it, and then the second set of missile. So why? What I did is I just take the requirement. I just leveled it for the requirements. So level 3 was the requirements for each of these. Then same for this. So when you reach level 3, it won't require you any of these skill 3 anymore. So I skipped it because of this. This is my target. This is skill 3. So this one, enhanced damage inflicted by all heroes, attack boost for all heroes, defense boost for all heroes, and HP boost for all heroes. So why did I skip it? Because again, I'm running a tank main, a tank team, so I wouldn't be needing this that much since my aircraft is not that strong, especially my missile. So I aimed for this. By the way, this is very expensive. This 4. Look at the missile. It's already 319. And this last, the level 5, this cost, if I remember it correctly, I think 700 M. So this will cost you a lot. But is it worth it? Definitely yes. Why? So even though I skipped this aircraft and missile. My missile team and my aircraft team will still benefit from this because it is all heroes. Okay, so not just my tank, but also my aircraft and missile team will benefit from this. All heroes. So all heroes. Okay. So make sure when you are doing your hero tech, uh, make sure you are doing it the right way based on your uh, main team. My main is tank, so I focus on tank. If my main is aircraft, I will be doing this. I would leveling this only on I think level 3 for the requirements so that I can upgrade this up to 5 or max. Then I will skip this and then target or aim for this. Okay? If I'm running missile team as my main squad, I will be doing level 3 for the tank, then level 3 for the aircraft also. So I can unlock this and max them, these 4. So I can max these 4 to level 5. Then go for this again. So that's my free to play advice for you guys. Okay? So that's it for Hero Tech, and bye bye.